We're going to use a free synth to remix sounds by Floating Points. Let's start with Birth. Saw. Give it a plucky shape. Add envelope 1 to the filter for snappier sound. For analogy pitch drift, drag random 1 to the pitch. Turn up the velocity tracking to make it more expressive. And for effects, we're going to add a reverb. Is this sound a saw, square, triangle, or sine? If you voted for saw, you're correct. Remove some harshness and add a reverb. And for the sound, we could also use a pulse to get a similar effect. Our next song is Environments, and this one is a Patreon special. You can download it alongside the other sounds I'm making today. Our next one is the Floating Points remix of Back to Basics by Skepta and Heavy One. Start with a sine wave. Set oscillator 2 to a sine wave an octave higher, but make sure you turn the volume down. Then we're going to select FM from oscillator 2 and add an envelope to make it more percussive. Our next sound comes in around 2 minutes 30, and this is a synth strings lead sound. For synth strings type sounds, you want to use a saw, and the filter, this is very important, set it as being 12 dB. This means it's going to be a lot more gentle and it's going to give us that string type characteristic. 24 dB is just a bit too steep and it sounds a bit more like a synth sound, whereas 12 sounds a bit more like a string synth sound. Make the filter open up with envelope 2 and add a reverb. This reverb is very big and spacious to give our sound a lush hall type reverb. If you have a question, let me know in the comments. We're going to be covering more sound breakdowns on this channel, so if you have a request of a certain artist that you want us to break down, let me know in the comments.